Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Etsy affiliate program step by step clearly. To get started with the Etsy affiliate program, first, visit the Etsy website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for the link that says affiliates and click on it. This will take you to the Etsy affiliate program page. Read through the overview of the program to understand its benefits. Next, find the Join Now button and click on it. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill out the required information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your affiliate account. Once you've completed the form, submit it to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation message from Etsy. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. After verifying your account, log into the Etsy Affiliate Program portal. Complete your profile by providing any additional information required. This may include details about how you plan to promote Etsy products. Read and agree to the terms and conditions of the program. After your profile is complete, await approval from Etsy. Approval times can vary, so be patient during this process. Once approved, you can start generating affiliate links. Explore the Etsy catalog for products you want to promote. Use the affiliate tools provided to create unique links. Share these links through your website or social media platforms. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard. Regularly check for updates and new promotional opportunities. Engage with the Etsy community to maximize your success. Continue optimizing your strategies to increase your affiliate earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.